What the heck? Oh my god! You just did a Tennessee.
High wind warning in effect from...
Ooh, high wind warning!
10 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time Monday. What? South winds increasing to 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts
High wind
up to
warning.
60 miles per hour expected. Where? Skagway and Klondike Highway. When? From midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds can blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.